Your voice is music to my ears, I'm wide awake. Only angels speak like this. Let it die, let it die, let it die, let it die. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Angels Speak by Justin Bieber. Alright, so you're gonna have your capo on fret number 1, and we're playing this with basic chords, so let's get right into it. So the chords are as follows. We have F, G to A minor. Alright, now F is 1 3 3 2 1 1. You're basically barring the first fret and playing E major in front of that. Alright, and then we go to G, which is 3 2 open open 3 3, and then A minor, right, which is open open 2 2 1 open. So that's F G to A minor, and then F, and then A minor G. Alright, and then again F G to A minor, and then D minor, say like this. That's G. So that part is F, A minor, and then G, and D minor, A minor, and then G. And D minor is open, open, open. X, X, open, 2 3 1, and then A minor is open, open, 2 2 1, open, and then G is, okay, I already showed you G. So that's right. F, G, A minor, right? F, and then A minor, and then G. F, G to A minor. I never like this. D minor, only angel. D minor, A minor, and then we go to G. Right? That's the only angels speak like this. Let it die, let it die, let it die, let it die. Let it die, let it die, let it die, let it die. Let it die, let it die, let it die, let it die. I never met one who's like this. Only angels speak like this. Your voice is music to my ears. Right, if you're an advanced player, you can play the bar chords for G and A minor, right? But yeah, it's gonna be the same thing over and over and over again. So yeah, that's it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like